Grok Coin is up 33% in the last 24 hours. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be looking at the bounce back of Grok, why it happened, and why the community is playing such a massive role in this. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, we can see that Grok Coin is up 34% in the last 24 hours. That just went to 28.79 due to a minor price dip, but it will go back up. So we can see that the liquidity still remains at 2.3 million. As you can see, it's already gone back to 32% with a bit of a price rise. Market cap is 52 million. It is not the 200 million that we saw previously, but it can reach those highs again. You can see that there is a great community, and we are going to be going very much in depth in that later on. But first, let us do some technical analysis. I did predict this bounce previously. If you do watch my previous videos about Grok, if you haven't, just look up there on that card and click them. Now you can see that we have a downwards trend, but we were going towards the support and we were in this wedge, and when the price broke out of this wedge, of course the price was going to break out, and then we saw a nice lovely green candle. So of course it is up today, and that also is compounded by the fact that Ethereum is also up. You can see Ethereum price is $2,445 US. So anyone with half a brain would definitely start putting some money into the ERC tokens, the top ones like Grok, for example, which is still number 3 in DEX tools trending, and it is still hot right now. So if you did the smart play and you saw Ethereum go up and you did put money into ERC tokens like Grok and other ones, then well done to you. So let us continue. That is one of the major contributing factors, Ethereum going back. We also have seen different Solana meme coins rug pulling, for example, like Analos and others. So people have been losing faith in Solana meme coins, and they're going back into ETH, which doesn't have as many G's, rug pullers and sellers. So what we can do is we can take a look and see here the transactions. So if we go down and look at the biggest holders, we can see that we'll do this on DEX Screener actually, because it's better. I prefer the interface. So on DEX Screener, we can see that the top holders are still intact. That's MEXC, the exchange. These are Gate.io, Uniswap, Liquidity, BitGet. So all these exchanges, they haven't dumped their supply, which is, you know, enormous, because a lot of the time when you get a meme coin and you have to provide tokens to the exchange, they often do sell them. So these exchanges do have faith in Grok, which is great to see for the community. Okay, as you can see, it's up 36.24 on DEX Screener. Well, it's just gone up. There's a bit of price discrepancy, but again, it has had a lovely bounce. So if you did catch that, well done to you if you've done a nice little scalp. Okay, now what we're going to do before we look at the community of Grok, we're going to look at the fine details, the analysis of this. We can see that there is now 19,000 holders. We're climbing slowly towards 20k. You can see that even though the price was in a little bit of a lull, the holders continue to increase. More and more people coming in. As you can see, cumulative 18.6. Every day there's around 100 different people coming in and buying Grok Coin, which is, you know, a huge sign. More and more people are coming in over time, despite what was a bit of a lull. You can also see that the liquidity is at $2 million. You compare that to a coin like Analos, for example, at a similar market cap of 50 million. Their liquidity was at 1 million because a lot of the supply, a lot of the liquidity was dumped by the founders. Okay, we can see liquidity again, it was decreasing due to a sell-off. It is now coming back up. The liquidity is above 2 million. Buy and sell volume remains low compared to how it was previously when it was going up huge amounts. And we can look at the transactions over $10,000, and again, the biggest factor you can see is that it is generally green. There are a lot of people that are buying in, which is a good sign. There are big transactions, whales coming in and buying in. Of course, there's traders like this guy. It's the same contract address. He's buying quickly and then selling, doing little flips. But generally, there is much more green here than red, which is a good sign because, of course, you know, more big transactions, more whales are coming in because they could see it as a buying opportunity. So now let us talk about the Telegram community. We'll go all over to the Telegram, and we can see that there are right now still 87 participants live in the voice chat. If we click on it, we can see Everybody is talking. So of course there are people live and active discussing and talking about the coin and shilling it and promoting and just chilling in the group chat. The group chat is obviously incredibly active. We can see a nice person with whale holdings who just bought in right now. You can see he has over 1 million holdings and he's just bought more Grok. So of course people are in. The chat community is absolutely lit, and what we'll do is we'll look at one of the biggest update posts recently from Nuke, who is a savant in the community. And as we can see, this is from yesterday, a bit of an update. Of course people are staying away from DeFi because of the holidays, but Grok, the people are remaining active on Telegram, Twitter, and in the voice chat. As you can see, the shilling community is all over Twitter, all over Elon's posts. And of course they have recently got their Twitter channel back, which was taken away. It was deactivated by Twitter because maybe they thought that it's too similar to Grok, but of course it has been given back. It is active again, so that is also huge for the community and for the shilling and for the promotion. So that is one of the big updates that they have recently. We can also see that the website is also, after an update, it is live again very soon, which is another big thing. We are also hitting new all-time high in holders, as we previously saw on Dune queries. And the other big thing is that they have onboarded someone from JNR Advisors. If we click on them over here, we can see that they've helped on various big projects. They have a great community and they're excellent in Web3 consulting, advising, you know, making projects really go from good projects or great projects to outstanding ones. And that is what they're doing and helping out with Grok on. So again, that is another big thing that the Grok community have coming. They're also communicating with their current connections, doing AMAs, everything, and you know, really continuing to shill their projects. So there are big things coming. They've onboarded some big players, so the only way is up, in my opinion. It is a great token, and you know, I'm gonna stay invested in it. That is the Cash Kreator signing off. Peace out.